Hello my lovely friend. So today I'm going to teach you how to make good luck elephant tea light candle holder. So first I will teach you how to mold elephant face. Did you see the face? So cute. So what I can do first, take small amount of petroleum jelly, any kind of jelly is okay. Just apply gently like that. Take any brush and do gently inside also. It won't be stick everywhere. Okay. Then take hot glue gun, any hot glue gun, and then you can pour hot glue gun on top of that. You can put very thick amount of glue, so it becomes nice and beautiful. And put for 10 minutes. After I will check. Elephant. So you guys can cut middle of that and take out gently. So, the elephant mold is ready. You see? Mold your elephant face. So I already take out this mold from this elephant face. Okay. So if you don't have this kind of elephant, so don't worry. Whatever you have your home elephant face, just you can mold it. Okay. So if you don't have, I will teach you another way how to make elephant head also. So first I will go to start from this mold. So how to take out the head from this mold. Okay. So what you can do first, you can take some small amount of the clay and take out and roll it again. Make a nice roll. Okay, and then you can apply some oil. So my clay will come nicely. You can put everywhere, all the corners, so clay won't be stick. After that, first what you can do, first take a small amount of the clay and roll it and put it here, trunk area, because it's a very narrow side. So you can first put it over there. After that, what you can do, just press it out in your hand and take out extra part and make a nice hole, so that elephant face won't be open. Okay, and then you can fill your clay over here. can hold tightly. Fill very nicely over here, and my clay will be stick to each other. Okay? Just press it a little bit hard. So all the clay inside one will be stick to each other. Okay, look at this, how simple it is. Okay, look at, and think about here also. If you feel it's more over there, just do like that. Look at this. Okay, and again just demold it. Look, the elephant head is come out. So what you can do first here, take a knife and cut the extra part. See, take out all the extra part. You see? Keep it on the slab and then cut very gently all the extra part. Okay? Then what you can do, take any knife, I have like that, just smooth out all the uneven part. My beautiful elephant head is came out. Very beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so if you see how much have extra part, just take out. Look, I can show you the elephant head, and again just cut the extra part. If you feel it looks very too much over here, just take out. Okay. So did you see this elephant have a trunk, in between have a hole? So what I can do first, take any kind of hole, kind of any refill, and just put it over here. Okay, so all the extra part will come out easily. Look at this, how simple it is. So my elephant head is, I have made it. Okay? Look at this, it's a hole. And then take any tool, just smooth out. Take a little smaller than that, so my it's like a refill kind of that, so you can use her, make it smooth. Okay. See how easy elephant is. Make a mouth, little open mouth, just open it. Okay. And just draw tusk also. And then you can draw the crown also. Just how much you can see any uneven part, just smooth out. If you want your eyes will be more looks deeper, just make an eye shape. Just little bit present with the eye. Okay. So friends, next video I will go to teach you how to make good luck tea light candle holder. Elephant is ready. So don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.